maging ganyan ngayong gabi. Palakpakan po natin ang bagong kasal. Wala po ba kayong mga kamay? And now guys, after the cake, the newlyweds will now partake of the wine, which was said to be a symbol of prosperity. Now as the wine is poured, the newlyweds will now make wishes for their good fortune, a better future, good health, and the best life possible for them. So with intertwined arms as a symbol of unity, crisscross arms. Okay? Oh, Gabriel, may trivia pa. Importante to para sa'yo. Alam niyo, sabi po nila, tuwing ganitong tradition po, during weddings, kung sino daw po ang unang makaubos ng wine dun sa bagong kasal, yun daw po ang magro-rule sa household. Naku po, sa palagay niyo po, sino ang mauna? Si Gabriel, si Ella? Naku po, Gabriel, dehado ka. Ayan, automatic ang washing machine, ano? Ayan. Okay, so ready?